right after the rain, I threw my shoes on and went down to see if I could leave footprints. Now I weigh 150 pounds and Summer weighed 30 pounds. So what I'm going to show you in this experiment is that the ground has to be saturated to a certain point in order for it to hold a footprint. In June, the 2021, you got to remember we were all in COVID, and you also have to remember that Tennessee was having an unusual heat wave. Let's see. Look how muddy that is. See it? Muddy. Just rained. Just got done raining. It's been dry. But then it's also been, for the last couple days, torrential downpour. Okay? See that? Look at the mud. See? Now I'm going to stick my foot here and I'm going to push down as hard as I can. Okay? Here we go. See that? Look. See any footprints? None. See that? No footprints. It has to rain more than this. See that? Nothing. Let's try it up here. Try up here in this flat spot. Right? Well, let's try it maybe right there. Okay? See that? See, look. See? Now, put my foot there. Now you see that my foot is wet from walking in the grass. I'm pushing as hard as I can. Okay? Now watch. Let's see. Do you see any footprints? Nothing. See that? How's a 30-pound little child gonna leave footprints? Let's do it right here. Here's a good spot. See that? See, look how muddy that is. Nice clean spot. Let's put our foot there. Ready? Here we go. Now, push hard, push hard. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Push, all my weight. Ready? Here we go. Barely a footprint. Look at there. Barely. Barely a footprint. You can see a little bit right there. Barely. See that? Come on, y'all. That might have been Summer's footprint, but not from that day. Not from the 15th. No way. No way, Jose. No, it could not have been. It probably is Summer's footprint, but not from the 15th. It had to be a footprint from before the 15th. I bet you it's from the 12th. Hi everybody. Okay, so that was our experiment with trying to leave footprints after it rained. So I also live in the eastern part of the country, and not very far from where the Wells lives, maybe a couple hours, and it had been raining for the last couple days. So the experiment that I showed you was to prove that in order for Summer to have had left footprints, it had to have the ground had to be more saturated than just leaving or like the morning dew or just a little bit of rain. It would have had to rain pretty hard in order for the ground to be saturated enough for Summer to leave any footprints. And also, I would say that those footprints are from the 12th, and I'm going to show you why I think that. And we are going to go to a weather history website, and we are going to take in consideration how much rain fell on the 15th. We are also going to take in consideration when was the first rainfall closest to before summer went missing, and we are going to see that that was the 11th through the 12th. We're also going to see how hot it was. That brings into a factor, because the hotter the climate is, the faster the ground will dry. So the day that Summer went missing, it was in the 80s. That's how she was able to, if she was there on that day to swim, which that's another story and another topic. So let's go to the website so you can see and judge for yourself. And it's a pretty cool website, and you can go anywhere in the country to see what the weather history is. So come on, let's go.